Chowder. No, you can't take the skateboard to bed, buddy. You can't take the skateboard to bed. No, bedtime. We were walking along the beach, and there was a child that had a skimboard, and Chowder just jumped on the skimboard and started riding across the water. You can't take that to bed with you. No. My daughter and I, we looked at each other, and we thought, wow, I wonder if a skateboard would be something that he would enjoy. I got him an old skateboard. First time I laid it down, he was on his stomach and he just started rolling across the driveway. He really didn't want help. He was trying to learn. He was super focused. Boy, Chowder. The old Goodwill board wasn't wide enough for him. He was trying, but he was sort of falling off. We said, Chowder, you're gonna get a new skateboard.
First dog skateboard I've ever delivered.
Okay, Chowder, your new skateboard.
What is this?
Oh my goodness. Oh, Chowder. What did you get?
What is this, Chowder? What is this? Come on. Hold on. Hold on.
You're gonna go roll up the stairs. You ready to go skateboarding, Chowder? Yeah. Oh my God. Come on, Chowder, time to go home, buddy. Ready to go home? Ready to go home and have some dinner, okay? All right. All right. He was sitting at our front door 24/7 waiting to go out in the driveway. He would just sit there like, okay, I'm ready to go. Chowder, do you want to go in the car? Do you want a treat, Chowder? You want a treat? Let's say we go skateboarding. Want to go skateboarding? He just wants to skate, so he's not as much of a cuddler, but he's very sweet.
Okay, hon, I'm gonna do the turn here with him.